Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I am going to share with you my 100% honest review of this Dior Forever Skin Stick Foundation. This is a brand new product from Dior, and Dior complexion products usually work great for my complexion and my skin type. So I'm super duper excited to share with you my honest review. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. And one more thing, this is not a first impression at all. I have owned this foundation for like 3 to 4 times at this point, and I actually filmed a review video yesterday, but I accidentally forgot to turn on the mic. So yeah, I am filming it again. So this is not a first impression at all. So I know exactly what I feel about this foundation. Let me just share with you the packaging and shade range and everything. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this one, like the standard Dior cardboard packaging. And when you open it up, here is the foundation. It's pretty luxurious and heavy packaging, and this detailing, and hope you can see the detailing over on the cap as well. Like the packaging is 10 on 10, and the shade name and everything is written over here. So let me just tell you the claims. And this foundation stick retails for $52 US. It's Dior, so that price tag is pretty much expected, and it comes in a total of 18 shades. I wish the shade range was a little bit better, but it is what it is. By the way, I am in the shade 3.5N. It says this buildable coverage Dior foundation stick glides over the skin to even out your complexion and visibly eliminate imperfections in a single swipe, delivering a blurring filter effect that resists heat and humidity. The stick can be used as a foundation, concealer, or for touch-ups on the go. It says the finish is matte and buildable. Okay, we will see that. So those were all the claims and details and everything. Let's just get into the application process, and then I will share with you my initial. I'm going to prime my face using this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base. I absolutely love this primer because it's very hydrating, smoothing on the skin, and you guys probably know I have dry skin, right? So let's just apply this bad boy. Look at the shade match, you guys. It literally disappeared onto my skin. So yeah, I'm going to apply it on the side of my face using a brush. Actually, I'm going to use a brush because I like to blend out my stick foundations using a brush rather than a sponge. That way it just gives me like a seamless finish. And this foundation is actually blending out really nicely, as you guys can see. By the way, I'm using my Sigma F80 flat top kabuki brush. Like, I'm super happy with the shade match. Like, can you see? It literally disappeared on my skin, right? And the coverage is actually really nice. Like, I was simply not expecting to get this much of coverage from this foundation, but it actually gives pretty good coverage, as you guys can see. Like, I had some pimple marks and blemishes on this side of my face, and it is completely covered. But I have some really dark spots over here, so I will see how much it covers them up. And here is half of my face with the foundation and the other half without the foundation. One more thing, it has got a slight smell to it. Like if you have used their Forever Glow foundation or the matte foundation, the smell is exact the same. It's not like too overpowering or anything, but I still wanted to put it out there in case you are sensitive to fragrances. But it's not bothering me at all, and it's not like a lingering smell. Like, it is disappearing as I am blending it out, so the smell is not an issue for me personally. The foundation is all blended, and it gave me a straight up medium coverage. On this side it's full coverage because I have less pigmentation and dark spots on this side, but on this side I have got a little bit of acne scarring going on, and I would say it managed to cover them up to 80%. If I build it up, let's see if I can build it up or not. So yeah, I'm going to let it sit for a couple of minutes before blending it out. That way I get more coverage. So right off the back, it gave me like medium buildable coverage. It's not like super duper full coverage, which I personally prefer because sometimes I like my foundation to look a little bit unnatural, and it exactly gave me a naturally dewy look. It's not like super duper dewy or anything like that. I would say, hold on, here is an eyelash. Now it's gone. Anyway, it gave me a naturally glowy finish, which I personally prefer for my dry skin, and it's looking really beautiful so far. It's like my skin but better, and it blended out super duper quickly. Now let's just blend it out and see how much coverage I get. Oh yeah, I was able to build it up, and now my acne scar is completely covered. So it is a buildable foundation. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. I'm back, and this is how the foundation is looking after setting it with my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder as well as my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray over here. And this is how the foundation is looking so far. It claims to be a very blurring formula, which I absolutely agree with, because my skin is looking super perfected, blurred. Anyway, so I have not used any pore filling primer, but my pores over here are looking really blurred and smooth, and my forehead lines are actually looking really smooth. I always say it whenever I review a foundation that my trouble zone is my forehead, because I have so many teeny mini lines and wrinkles on my forehead. But on my forehead it's looking really nice, but it's been like, I should say, 2 hours since I applied the foundation, because I was filming some other videos for my Instagram and stuff. And one more thing, I applied a cream bronzer and a cream blush. Like, I was testing out this e.l.f. Chemo Liquid Blush, and it was a new product, so I was a little bit nervous, but it did not lift up the base at all. Like, it applied really smoothly on top of this foundation, and all my powder products, like my highlighter, my blush, everything applied really smoothly on top of this foundation. So that was not an issue at all. So yeah, initial thought, I am really happy. I'm going to go ahead and wear this foundation for the rest of my day, and then I will check back with you to give you my final review. Hi, I am back, and this is how everything is looking so far. And it was pretty cold today. It was not like yesterday, it was pretty warm and cozy, but today it was pretty cold and windy. All zoomed in, and you can see, like, on my forehead, it's looking like I have some kind of filter on, but I don't, I swear. And it's looking so smooth on my forehead, and I have not even applied any like blurring primer or anything. And on my pores, I am just speechless how good it's looking. It's like blurred. It's like a real-time filter, like on my pores and on my cheek. Like, do you see how stunning it's looking on my nose as well? Like, I have some teeny mini whiteheads. Do you see how smooth they are looking? Like, I am honestly surprised. It's been like 9 hours since I applied the foundation. 9 hours. And it's looking super duper smooth. I don't know how it's doing it. Like, it's super smooth and blurring. There is no separation, no cakiness going on, no nothing. Let's just compare the claims and everything. It claims to be a 24-hour wear foundation. Like, I do not typically wear my foundations for 24 hours, so I cannot comment on that. But I have owned this foundation for over like 10+ hours, and it looks really good. And it claims to be a natural finish foundation, which I absolutely agree with. Like, when I first apply it, it gives me kind of natural dewy finish, but after some time it settles down to be a natural matte finish foundation. And it says it's humidity resistant, 100% true, because when I wore it yesterday, it was pretty hot. I was outside like doing my groceries and stuff, and it did not move at all. And I wore it the day before yesterday as well. It was pretty hot, but it did not move. And it also says glides on smoothly, 100%. You saw on camera, like, it is so buttery smooth and soft. It's just one swipe and there is no tugging or pulling happening. And buildable formula and covers imperfection, 100%. You saw I have like this acne scarring over here, and I was able to build it up. And do you see? It's not fading or anything. Like, I have pretty deep and dark spots over here. Do you see? There is nothing peeping through. Nothing. No one can say that I have acne scarring over here. So coverage wise, it's really like buildable full coverage, but it does not look cakey. Like, I build it up, it still looks like my own skin. I don't know how to explain that. Like, I love my Tom Ford stick foundation. I used to think that that one is like the best stick foundation ever, and that foundation costs for like $90, almost double the price of this one. But that foundation as well, it does not give me as full coverage as I want to. It looks like my skin. I love that foundation, please don't get me wrong. But if I compare my Tom Ford foundation with my Dior foundation, I think I prefer this formula way better than the Tom Ford one, because A, it gives me full coverage if I want to. B, it lasts for a really long time. And one claim about this foundation is it gives you a blurring filter effect. Oh my god, I cannot agree more. Like, it looks like I am wearing a filter. I wish you could see me in person. I wish that. I have very few foundation in my collection that give me this type of blurred, smooth effect. This is like mind-blowing. Like, I am blown away right now. This foundation gets 10 on 10 from my side. Like, 10 on 10. I do not have any negative things to say about this foundation. So if you want to grab this foundation, I highly recommend you getting it, and I am sure you are not going to regret buying it. It's like a bomb product. Like, Dior has done it once. Yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. That was my review on this Dior Forever Skin Perfect Stick Foundation. If you have any question regarding this product, then feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.